guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana split pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, in a medium or large saucepan, add in the whole milk and heat it on the stove over medium heat until it comes to a simmer. Meanwhile, peel the bananas and cut them into slices. For best flavor, use bananas that have a few brown spots. Once the milk has come to a simmer, remove it from the heat and add in the sliced bananas into it. Stir them together and let it sit for 20 minutes to let the banana flavor infuse into the milk. Meanwhile, you can make the crust. Crush up the graham crackers and Nilla wafers in a large bag until it forms fine crumbs. You can choose to use all graham crackers or all Nilla wafers or just any plain crisp cookies you like. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl and add in the melted butter and mix them until they're well combined. Pour the mixture into an ungreased 9 or 10-inch pie pan. Spread it all over and press it in so it sticks together. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. Once the milk and bananas have steeped, pour it through a strainer or colander to strain out the bananas. And set aside the bananas for now. And pour the milk back into the saucepan. Then into a small bowl, add in the sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and whisk them really well until they're combined and to get rid of lumps. Then add it into the milk and whisk it to combine it. And add in the eggs and whisk them in. Then place it onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until it starts to simmer, whisking it occasionally so it heats evenly and to prevent lumps. When it starts to simmer, whisk it constantly until it boils. Then once it's boiling, keep whisking it over the heat for another minute. Then remove it from the heat and add in the butter and vanilla extract and mix them in until it's combined and the butter has melted into the mixture. Then add in the sliced bananas from earlier and mix them in until they're combined. Pour the filling into the chilled crust. Spread it out until it's even. Then cover the top and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours or longer. To make the whipped cream, in a medium bowl, add in the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract, and whip them with an electric mixer until it forms stiff peaks. Then wash, dry, and chop up the strawberries. Remove the chilled pie from the fridge and add the chopped strawberries on top of it. and pour on half of the whipped cream and spread it out. And pipe the remaining whipped cream onto the sides of the pie. Then drizzle some chocolate syrup on top of it. And add some chopped nuts onto the sides. Sliced bananas that have been tossed in lemon juice to keep them from turning brown. And finish it off with some maraschino cherries. And that's how to make a banana split pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.